Grand Rising. Peace and power to you. Uh, so you would like to know what is coronavirus? I offer, as a shamanic high priest, uh, cure to the bioweapon coronavirus. Now, I actually have the printout of the genetic code of the virus. I also have the names of the scientists who created the virus. So when I say to you that I have a cure for coronavirus, I mean that. Also known as COVID-19. Now, they will take this video down eventually. And they will take it down because I am offering a cure to the coronavirus. Cure. Would you like the cure? First, the virus, the bioweapon that you know as coronavirus. It is a strand of H1N1. It was created by the Center for Disease Control. So they created disease because diseases are man-made. They distribute or spread that disease to us humans. And they also spread it to depopulate mankind. That is, any kind of man that wasn't created by Mother Nature herself. The bioweapon. All praises due to Allah. Alhamdulillah. I must, shukran Allah. Shukran Allah. Remember to honor my God. Allah is the one and only true Savior of all souls. Being in relationship with Allah will deliver your soul from the eons of time that it is trapped in this consciousness, placing you in a fleshly body every time your root race cycle comes around, and preventing you from accelerating so you no longer have to sit in this third dimension. It ascends you, ascends. Sorry for getting off topic. My spirit leads me as it should go. So you're going to want to tune your body to 5.5 hertz. That is an electrical frequency which the nano bioweapon operates at. That's what it was created at. It took 5.5 hertz of frequency of electrical current to spark life in this bioweapon. The bioweapon is a microscopic robot. It is covered in blood, mostly the blood of melanated beings. And then it is sent out to see how effective it is in population control. You and I both know people who have perished at the hands of this particular destructive bioweapon. It is a crime. Every single virus we have cures for. We know exactly what to do to help your body exterminate any foreign substance. When I say we, the shamanic high priest, the scientists, the spiritual scientists, and the bodily scientists of the shamanic order. You will see more and more what it means to us to be a shamanic high priest as we move forward in the teachings. Now, when you contact in the university at the private and now made public telephone number of 440-506-2987. The very first thing you will do is you will know that equitable exchange is required for my time. The Al Moroccan Nation has received 5 years of labor from me, and I have yet to reap the fruits of my labor for correctly teaching the heirs how to regarding estate administration. Today is the day that it is required equitable exchange at all times. It took me a long time to learn that. I accept any form of currency exchange so long as it is made so we as both parties can exist in comity. We want you to go research the word C-O-M-I-T-Y, etymology for the word C-O-M-I-T-Y. So what is the cure for coronavirus? Well, alkaline diet is most important. When you sit and don't have the attention span, you have an attention span of a child, which is 8 seconds, sometimes less. In order to be effective in life, you need the attention and focus to be able to discipline yourself and your body to achieve the goals of liberation and freedom. There is no substance on the face of the planet that controls myself. There is no element or information or spiritual power that moves me in any way, shape, or form. There is no emotions that move me. Only Spirit of the living God, Allah. And you want us to show you how to cure your body, to prevent it from perishing, and your family members from coronavirus, then you will contact us at INDI_UNIVERSITY at protonmail.com. That is at PROTONMAIL.com. We can also be reached on Facebook. We can also be reached here. We can also be reached in our messenger. We can also be reached on our personal line. You need to verify payment before we begin training you. Now here when I say training, it is a skill in order to get the body to operate at a frequency higher than what the sciences of the world has taught you that your body needs to operate in. It is a skill and it is a science. And we want you to have it. We await you on this Father's Day to bless you with all that has been given to us in these 5 years of study. We'll tell you how to give us a positive performance, encourage the exchange, and we will continue consult when we confirm agreement and we confirm equitable maxims of law are adhered to at all times. Praise be to the most gracious and sufficient Allah. In the university out. Whoa, come on, baby.